Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ollama on Windows in a very simple way. For that, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for ollama.com. Click enter. It will going to open the Ollama website. Click on the download option. Click on download for Windows. Click on download, and it's about 1.30 GB, so it will take 4 or 5 minutes to complete. It all depends on your internet speed, so make sure keep your patience. After complete the download, click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click on run, click on install, and as you can see right now, the Ollama is rightly installing in your computer. And now as you can see that the Ollama is rightly installed in our computer. You can simply see over here, and from here you can simply launch any of your preferable one AI model. You can simply use it into your Windows. Very simple, right? So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Ollama in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.